What's up, YouTube? How's it going today? New box. What could be in the box? Let's see, what's in the box? Packing material. More packing material. First thing, pull out the box. Header gaskets for Ole Red. I've never used their header gaskets, so I don't know. Hopefully they'll work well. New spacer. Ole Red. Y'all don't need to see how much money I spent. Header bolts. New header bolts, because I lost all mine evidently. There should have been something else in here. Should have been 4 things in here. There it is. Carburetor studs. So I got some of the stuff. And of course I got my Summit sticker, and the wine voucher for the wife. I mean, yeah, that shit. So anyway, yeah, I got some of the parts for Ole Red. That should be the last of the stuff I need besides the starter to get it running. Then I got to what was the other thing? Well, that'll help me finish the exhaust. Oh, I gotta build the stand for the shifter. That's gonna be the next big thing. Is actually getting the metal to make a stand so the shifter be up at a regular height instead of sitting on the floor. Make it hard to shift. And I figured out what I'm probably gonna do with Mighty Mouse. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the motor in Mighty Mouse. Get the aluminum heads for my buddy. Take the heads off. Check out that motor really good. Go ahead and buy another starter for it. Make sure nothing's messed up on it. And put that 302 back in there. See, hopefully it'll run good. If I go through it and make it, I don't know, just do a good check over. So I'm gonna need to get a starter, need to get some head gaskets, and then get some intake gaskets. Get those heads for my buddy, and get a machine for my roller rockers that are on that. So that's where we're at with stuff, and I gotta work for a while, so maybe Sunday I'll do some work on Ole Red. We're in there just waiting. He's just sitting there waiting. He'll be ready. So anyway, that's what's going on today. Y'all have a good one. Later, guys.